Hey, welcome to the Ron Gunner channel. Here is a little better update on the Weatherby chassis rifle project. These are upgrades from MDT modular driven technology, and this is what came on the rifle originally. That's the original grip when I purchased the chassis rifle. That is what was on it. Okay. And as far as the stock goes, a Luthar, I think I'm pronouncing that right. That was a stock it was on it. Decent, but not what I was looking for. So I got a hold of MDT, and they decided to be generous and make a donation to the project. And we got their Sure Grip with the nice base, which in turn holds the gun pretty level, and their version 5 skeletonized easy adjustable stock with the finger adjustments right here. And then there's locking studs on the other side with brass tips. Get it where you want it set, and then tighten those up. They're set screws with the brass tips on them, and they hold it rock steady. So that is the stock. It's now been installed. The hand grip has been installed. They sent an extra magazine, so that gives us 3. Now the scope rings I had on it were right here, and they were bought at Cabela's, and I can't even tell you what kind they are. They were like, I think, 45 bucks. And I knew that wasn't going to be great. So I got to looking, and MDT makes their own scope rings, 2 different kinds, and I asked for the Elite set, and by God, that's what they sent. And these babies are beefy. I'm telling you, they are heavy duty construction, and they are well built. These sell for, I think, $199, and they're 30 millimeter, and then they come with a shim to take them down to 1 inch if you're using a 1-inch tube. So these are $199. That skeleton V5 buttstock is $299. That Surefire grip is I believe $69. Then the magazines are like $39. Now I'm using a lucid scope at first. Primary arm, just sending one in. We're also going to use Leupold. Let's see, Leupold, lucid, primary arms. Oh my God, I can't. Where there's a Night Force. There's like five or six scope brands that's going to be used on this rifle, and I just have a cheap bipod on it right now. Only what I had here in the house, at the house. I just want to put something on there to get the gun off the ground. I have contacted Atlas because many of you told me if we want to do what we're going to try to do with this rifle, which is a 223 over 1,000 yards, and try to get it as accurate as possible using Starline brass, Burger bullets, Hodgdon powders, and Federal match primers, all done on L.E. Wilson precision match 2-die set, and their stainless steel trimmer to prep everything. We were told we were going to need an Atlas bipod to hold that baby rock steady. So I have contacted Atlas. I filled out their form, and all I can do now is wait. So anyhow, I just wanted to give you this update. Try to keep it as short as possible to let you know what is happening, and to thank MDT for all their generous donations, to thank Starline, to thank Burger, to thank L.E. Wilson, everybody getting involved in this will be credited in the videos and everything upcoming. So thank you, and we will talk to you soon.